What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, UAG was kind enough to send me out the plasma case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. They actually sent me out a lot, but we're going to focus on this first because this is the OG case. I used to pick this case up for all my devices back in the day when I had my Galaxy Note 8 Plus, Note 10 Plus. So pretty much this is UAG branding. This is the Plasma series. It's for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It has 16 feet, drop tested. So pretty much you're gonna be good to go with this case. So pretty much this is what the case looks like. It says you get a limited lifetime warranty that is a guaranteed. So pretty much we're just gonna open this case up like so, and we're going to put it on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see here, this is the white titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you just want to slide that bad boy in like so. This is sexy. Look at that. This looks real good on that white titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see here, man, this looks good. I am really digging the way that looks and feels. Like I said, this is their OG case, so if you know, this is a go-to case still of today. As you can see, has that UAG right there. You get a nice camera lip, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you're good to go. You get that nice lip around the front. But I also have the UAG screen protector on right now. If you place it flat down on the table, you are good to go as long as you have that screen protector. You get your feet. I call these feet because this is good for drop protection. If that phone hits the corner, you're good to go. You get all your cutouts. Come down here, you get a nice cutout for that USB Type-C charging port for your microphone, your speakers. You get that lanyard loop if you're into that kind of thing. Over here you get nice volume buttons, nice and clicky for turning the volume up. Nice and clicky. As you can see, you get access to the action button, and it's not hard to press. As you can see over here, you do get a nice clicky button for your power button. It's nice and clicky. Overall, this just looks and feels amazing. You get some kind of design here. This just looks icy. That's what I'm gonna say. This looks icy, especially if you have that white titanium device. Man, this looks good. So pretty much now I'm going to bring you over to their website. So pretty much this is the Plasma series, like I said, for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. They make it for all kind of devices. So pretty much you can get this in two colors. So you can get it in this ash color, or you can get it in the ice color, which is what I have right here, the Plasma ice color. Man, this is sexy, and it just feels good in the hand. Pretty much this is what it looks like. As you can see there, you get it. It is made for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. You get impact protection. It's just showing you some things here that you get with the device. Like I said, this is an OG case, so we all know UAG makes nice cases, and like I said, this is an OG go-to case. I used to get this case on all of my devices. So pretty much if you want to pick this up for yourself, you are currently going to be able to get this Plasma case for $44.95 plus tax. So pretty much down in the description, I will have a link to where you can go pick this up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.